Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog of working on cars. So today I'm working on my wife's 2015 Volkswagen Jetta TDI 2.0 liter TDI, turbo diesel. So what I'm doing is replacing the water pump, but I'm going to show you where it's located just for fun. All right, so we got it all tore apart here. We got the timing belt already taken off. We got our pump here. This is the diesel pump. That's the cam. It's locked in place right here and here. And the cam is already loose there. I still have to loosen this one. But down here, this is why we're changing. I'm going to show you the coolant pump too. It's kind of different, kind of weird or whatever. But down here is the crank, way down here, and some idler. But right here, on the engine block, let me give you the full thing. This is the side of the engine, right-hand side, left-hand side, right-hand side of the car. Right here is the water pump, and the water pump is driven by the timing belt, which is crazy in my thoughts because I've only worked on old ones, and the water pump's always been down here by the alternator and the air compressor and all that kind of stuff, and the old rabbits and everything. They used to always be back here, but this has been leaking, so I have to replace it. So since I got to replace the water pump, I might as well replace the belt, idlers, and everything while I'm in here. So let's go take a look at the water pump. It's pretty neat. All right, we're over at the workbench. So this is the water pump here. So what it is, it's run by here, like I said, the belt runs this, the timing belt, which is I find to be really annoying that it's inside the engine. So it's got this little actuator right here. It's controlled by the ECU. And what it does, it has this, here's the cooling fin, the thing that actually spins and gets the water moving around in the engine. But it has this cover like this. So when the engine's cold or it's winter time or whatever, it actually covers up the fins of the propeller that moves the water around. So then as it warms up, it moves that back and moves that out of the way. So then you get your full coolant going around, which this one looks like it's actually stuck in that position. So it might not actually been cooling 100%. Well, no, I guess it is back behind that lip there. So I guess it is enough to get the coolant go by. But I thought that was pretty interesting that they actually have it so it's actuated, and whenever it's cold, it sits like this and it slows the water from moving around in the engine. Then as it heats up, it goes boop, pops it back out of the way, and then you get your full cooling power coming out from your propeller. So I thought that was pretty neat. And also, if you listen, the bearings are pretty bad on this thing. Like, they actually wiggle. It's actually wiggling in the case and everything. So it was dripping pretty good. And it's only 10 years old. There's only 60,000 miles on the car. So it's really a shame that it's already worn out like that. So terrible. So what I did is I ordered a new one. Here's the new one here. Nice and smooth. And see, it's got this is a plastic piece that was on the engine that holds the connector. So you can see there the propeller is there, and there's the shroud. But this shroud doesn't move. So I wonder if that one's probably was another thing that was wrong, was that this shroud was moving forward and backwards and not going back the whole way. But anyways, but here it is here. This one's nice and smooth, so I'm going to go and put this one in. So one other thing is you have to take off your engine mount that holds your engine. And this is attached to the engine as well, that holds the mount to the body. And I bought all new kit with new idlers, but also comes with new hardware and all bolts, because they're all turn to yield. They're all stretch bolts, so they all have to be replaced, which I find very annoying. Okay. All right, that's the end of the vlog. So I'm going to continue working on this, get the water pump, get the timing belt put back together, and get this back on the road. But thank you for liking and subscribing and following along. You guys are awesome because you are awesome. So good luck on all your projects that you're working on. Let me hear about them or anything else. Or if you have a channel that maybe you work on cars as well, I'd like to hear about it. Put it down in the comments. So anyways, thank you very much. And have a good one. And I'll see you in the next one. Alrighty, bye-bye.